Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're first time here, then welcome to my channel, Curls by Danny. If you're a returning subscriber or you just found me again, then welcome back. So today this video is about Shea Moisture. So I don't know if you've been seeing on my Instagram at It's Danny, but I have posted about that I've become a Shea Moisture brand ambassador, and now I'm making this video to welcome Shea Moisture. I'm thanking them. Thank you so much for accepting me into this ambassador program. And now I have my first box, and I'm getting ready to show you guys how it all works and all the stuff that I used in there. So this is how the box comes when I first got it in the mail. And then so I open it. Ooh, box is beautiful, by the way. It's very informative because it basically has all their lines and a brief description of what the lines are for. So I love this box. So then within came with 5 products and 2 pamphlets. So let's look at the pamphlets. This one's all about being a Shea ambassador. So you see here, Shea Ambassador 2019 loves. I'm so excited to start this journey with you with Shea Moisture. Love their products so much. So basically what this is about is that they're going to send me boxes that have products in them, and then I'm going to review them and show them to you all and how they work in my hair. This other pamphlet contains the 5 products that they sent in the box and their brief description of what they involve. So the first product here is their Strength and Restore Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. This one right here I had used in my previous video. I'll review this in the other video. Love this shampoo, by the way. It's my first time ever using it and I love it already. One of my favorites. For my follow-up conditioner, I have used the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. So this is amazing too. I never thought that this duo would be amazing, but it is. It's awesome. So this pamphlet basically tells us about the products. So for the shampoo, it says that this is gentle sulfate clarifying shampoo, removes buildup while infusing hair with moisture, which I definitely did feel that. I'm not lying at all. I definitely felt that while I was running my hands through that shampoo in my hair. It's ideal for all hair types, including natural, chemically processed, and heat styled. That's another reason why I like this specific line, because it's good for the chemically processed hair. I have been using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line for a while because my hair first started off as, we know going natural, half of it's already relaxed and half it's curly. But then also when it was all curly, I did have a lot of color in my hair. So with chemically processed and damaged, so that Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line helped me a lot with that. And then so for my conditioner, it says that this one is a creamy conditioner, glides through the hair to tangle and restore moisture and shine. Definitely they're on point with that. Rich coconut oil and certified organic shea butter conditions tresses, while silk protein and neem oil reduce frizz and create a brilliant shine. That's very true as well. They're not lying with these products, y'all. I want y'all to go out and try these. They're not lying at all. So also what I used in my previous video, I had used this, the silicone free Miracle Styler leave-in treatment. Y'all, this is amazing. It just made my hair just like, I don't know, it just melted my knots away. Like, I didn't have to do too much detangling work. Typically it takes me a solid like 20 minutes to detangle my hair. With this and the conditioner mixed in, detangling was so easy and I didn't lose that much. I typically shed a lot. I didn't lose that much hair detangling with this. So what this says is that this leave-in styler truly does it all. Detangles, nourishes, softens, helps with brush glide, adds shine, smooths to reduce frizz, and enhances silkiness. Yes, 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 it does. I'm telling you, it does. Telling you, go and try this product. If you don't try anything from out of this box, y'all need to get this. You need to try this. This is amazing. So now those are the ones that I had used in my previous video for my twist out here. By the way, this is a twist out that I did and I think I'm on day 3 now. Day 3. Let's see. So next there's the 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration conditioner. I have never used this before, so I'm excited to use this. I'll use this in conjunction with my other shampoo here. This one is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. Once again, I have never used this either. Actually, I'm kind of interested in seeing what it smells like. I've never smelled it. Smells really clean, actually. Smells really clean. I'm excited to use this one. I love smelling clean. I don't always want to smell fruity. I like smelling clean too. So for that conditioner, the virgin coconut oil conditioner, it says formulated with an ultra nourishing blend of 100% virgin coconut oil, or virgin coconut and shea oils, coconut milk, and cacao Senegil. This daily conditioner revitalizes lackluster hair, leaving it soft and silky. Y'all, if I mispronounced that word, which I probably did, bear with me. So I have never used that. I'm getting ready to try that on my next wash cycle. Also with the shampoo, this creamy sulfate-free shampoo is blended with Manuka honey and yogurt to gently cleanse and replenish moisture while helping to strengthen strands, which I like that too. I love that shampoo and the Strength and Restore shampoo from the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. I like that one too. I really want my hair to feel strong because it's been so brittle and weak for too long. I'm sick of this. I need to be strong. So I'm excited to use these products, y'all. Really excited. So those are the products that I got for this month. And they also threw in a neat little brush here. So I've never tried one of these brushes before, y'all. I've actually been really afraid to try these brushes because I've just seen those horror stories where your hair just gets wrapped around and then you're like, you gotta cut it off, and I don't want to do that. But I'll figure out how to use this. Maybe I'll use it with the leave-in, since the leave-in works amazing wonders in detangling the hair. So I'll try this. I'll try it later on. Alrighty, love. So that's the end of this quick little video about my very first Shea Moisture box. I'm so excited to be explaining these products to y'all in upcoming videos and how they work in my hair, and hopefully you guys give me some feedback on how they work in your hair too. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Shea Moisture, so much for sending me this product and accepting me into this ambassador program. Thank you so much. Thank you, loves, for watching my YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more and you can't wait for more videos. Subscribe, and thumbs up. Thank you. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you, Shea Moisture, again. Thank you, loves, for watching my video. Okay, take care.